y'all. So today we're doing another baking video. This time we are doing just all mute because the last one was so boring. And we're all gonna be on mute. Also, we can't make noises. Like we have to be completely mute. Like we can't be like, yeah, like me. So yeah, we're gonna do another baking video because the other one was low-key lame and this one's gonna be better. So I'm Nia, that's G, that's Nora. We're the main guest. Vivian's not here because she's freaking weird. And yeah. Take me up, mother trucker. Anyways, also, this time I'm gonna be editing the video. Ew, turned into that. But I'm gonna be editing the video, so it's gonna be so much more funnier. I'm gonna smell this. Ugh, my house smells like that.
What? Oops.
Hey y'all, it's Nia here, and I would just like to tell you that I'm the one editing right now. We are vlogging now in point 5. We have Nora, we have G, and we have me. And we are just killing the game right now. This is our cake, and we are just so proud of it.
This is our cake.
It looks so good.
Get your fingers out.
It tastes like shit. I don't know what we did wrong, but it was good. And every back. I'm just a black. Got tattooed on her wrist. Bitch,
Bella Hadid who?
Bella Hadid. Wait, Bella Hadid, is that you, Bella Hadid? Wait, Bella Hadid, no way. I'm finna freaking take a pic with you. It's like, wait, Bella Hadid, is that you? We are in the moment right now, 0.5ing this vid. Yes, mega fucking mind. Same. Ooh, we got some steak. Yeah, actually, I don't want to eat that. What? What?
Don't touch the cake. Recording that whole time.
What?
What? G? G, wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, Bella, honey, can I please take a picture with you? Can I please take a picture with you?
Wait, we gotta take pictures of
Guys, it's time to enjoy. This shit looks like barf. I'm not gonna lie. There's liquid on the sides.
Feed me.
What the frick? Hey, wait, I'm film me eating it.
Wait, guys, we forgot the pink sprinkles.
It's okay.
Here's a fork.
Thank you. This is so yummy, guys. I'm not a big fan of the frosting.
A little crunchy.
I like the crunch. It's yummy.
It looks like skin.
Stop! What the frick is your problem? You just stole my whole bite. Okay, wait. Ready? ASMR. Oh, it's hot. But that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.